Understanding dragging one's feet, a guide to procrastination in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English expression, dragging one's feet. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations. This video will help you understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing phrase. Dragging one's feet is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is delaying or procrastinating on doing something. It conjures up the image of a person literally dragging their feet along the ground, moving slowly because they are reluctant to go forward. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, whether it be about making a decision, completing a task, or moving on from a situation. The key here is reluctance and delay. The origin of dragging one's feet is quite literal and comes from the visual of someone physically dragging their feet because they are hesitant or unwilling to move quickly. This imagery has been used for centuries to describe slow or reluctant action. Understanding the literal visual helps in grasping the figurative meaning used in modern language. Let's look at some examples to see how dragging one's feet can be used in everyday English. The project is behind schedule because the team has been dragging their feet on the final design. I've been dragging my feet about making that dentist appointment. I just don't want to go. Despite the urgency, he's dragging his feet on signing the contract. It seems he has some doubts. These examples show that the phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts to indicate hesitation or delay. Understanding synonyms can help learners expand their vocabulary. Similar expressions include procrastinating, dilly-dallying, hemming and hawing, lagging behind, taking one's time. Each of these phrases can be used in slightly different contexts but convey a similar overall meaning of delay or reluctance. Dragging one's feet is a versatile expression that captures a common human behavior, procrastination and reluctance. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and origins. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions like this one is a big step forward in mastering the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning adventures. See you next time.